A 500-gram ball swings in a vertical circle at the end of a 1.5-meter long string. When the ball is at the bottom of the circle, the tension in the string is 15 Newton. What is the speed of the ball at that point? Here is the free body diagram. The gravity acts vertically downwards and then tension is acting upwards. Okay. And then the tension force provides the required centripetal force. Okay. And then we know Fc, centripetal force, is equal to mv square over r. Okay. Now we will write the y direction forces. Sigma Fy is equal to Ft minus Fg is equal to Fc. Okay. Now we have to find out the velocity. Okay. F tension is 15 newtons minus Fg is your mg. Therefore, Fg is equal to mg is equal to mass is given as 500 grams. Therefore, that is equal to 0.5 kilograms. And then G, I will take 9.8 meters per second square. So this is equal to 0.5 into 9.8. That is equal to 4.9. Okay, 15 Newton minus 4.9 Newton is equal to mv square over r. I will directly substitute the values. So mass is equal to 0.5 and then v square over r is equal to 1.5 meters. Okay, therefore v square is equal to 1.5 divided by 0.5 into 15 minus 4.9. Okay, r v is equal to square root of 30.3 meters square second square. Okay, just a moment. Yeah, and then v, therefore v is equal to 5.5 meters per second. Am I right? Yeah. This is the answer for this question. Thank you. Bye-bye.